Pwede po ba ilagay sa COE niya na hindi siya nag-render ng 30 days notice? Pwede ba singilin sa kanya mga trainings? Thank you.
Meron po tayong principle sa batas. There's a principle of law that says what is not prohibited is allowed. Yan. So, is it prohibited to indicate in the Certificate of Employment, COE, of an employee na hindi siya nag-render ng 30 days? Wala po nagsasabing bawal yan, na prohibited yan, no? Ang suggestion ko lang, ang recommendation ko, even if you want to put some derogatory remarks like hindi nag-render ng 30 days, even if you can do that, ang suggestion ko po is just to be diplomatic and discreet about it. Ang sa akin po, ang sinasuggest ko na lang, ilagay nyo, this Certificate of Employment is not a clearance. Bahala na mag-isip yung mga magbabasa ng COE na yon kung bakit may gano'n, no? Hindi clearance. Therefore, magbe-verify siya ngayon sa inyo, ano ba nangyari dito sa employee na ito. And then, you can now tell what really happened to the verifier, to the background checker. Training, as a general rule, is shouldered by the employer and should not be charged against employees, as a general rule. Okay, there are exceptions to the general rule, but one exception is if the employee was unjustly enriched. Example of an unjust enrichment of an employee na syempre na biktima ang isang employer. Na training siya, na certify, then after training, lipat sa ibang employer, syempre mas mataas na yung sweldo niya because may certificate na siya, trained na siya, and ginamit lang niyang free training yung kanyang previous employer. So, clearly there is an injustice in that situation. In that situation, obviously, pwedeng habulin ng employer yung employee kasi ginawa lang siyang training center. At lumipat sa ibang employer, doon in-apply yung training, di ba? Hindi yun makatarungan.